Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're in the wood yard today. Got everything set up, getting ready to do a maiden voyage and see how this wood elevator works, or wood conveyor. I bet it'll work pretty good. If you just tuning in, this is the latest project. Turned to a wood conveyor, made one out of an old hay elevator. Worked pretty good in the shop, so we're getting ready to test it out. I got a few rounds. I've got a lot more over there, but I just grabbed some real quick because I got to go here in a minute. But grabbed 2 or 3 of them there. And I've got a video coming on the splitter. I've widened the pan a lot. It's 40 inches now instead of 24. Fixed this push plate, cut it off, re-welded it, got in here, and redid the bolts on both sides, spacers, fixed that. Got your bottle holder and kept this in for stringy wood, you know. You gotta hatchet that out. But I've got the 4-way wedge left and the stroke restrictor I'm gonna do, because this is a 30-inch stroke and I'm just gonna make it where it only cycles 20 at a time. That'd be fine because all I do is 16-inch wood. So that's coming, and then I'm gonna do a video of the upgrades of the wood splitter. So for now, I couldn't wait that long. I'm dying to try this wood conveyor out. So I'm gonna run it and do it a while, and I'm gonna take this back in the shop and build those 2 pieces and then do a video on that. So stay tuned. So I guess for now we'll get everything running. I'll get the generator fired up because this one's got an electric motor on the other side. But I got it here, so get it started. We'll fire it up, run a few rounds, and hopefully everything works. I've got it set up in the trailer, so hang on. I'll set it up, get everything running. I'll be back. So we'll see you here in a second. back off. Bear with me, folks. Alright. Alright. Woo! Getting hot. Not bad. It worked pretty good. Kill switch don't work on the generator. That shuts the gas off. So waiting on that, which works pretty good. Keeps the car empty. So homemade splitter, homemade conveyor, homemade dump trailer. I think we got it. So, oh, she's dying finally. So anyway, as soon as that shuts up, hurry up and die. How far did we get here? Oh yeah, not too bad, not too bad. I worked that up real quick. So I think it's doing pretty good. I'm happy with it. Hopefully that generator ain't too noisy. It's gonna die in a minute. Anyway, I'll fix the kill switch one of these days. But I'm happy with the wood conveyor, and considering I only got $100 in it, I'm real happy with it. So yeah, get a hold of them old hay elevators. Go ahead and use it. Works pretty good. So, well, if I can get this killed, it's very annoying. There it goes. Oh lordy. Sorry about that, folks. Kill switch don't work for some reason. I just got this thing back together. I put some lawnmower wheels on it, some big tall ones, and fixed the front where I kind of off-roaded around here. But anyway, like I said, homemade splitter, homemade conveyor, and a homemade dump trailer. So that saved a whole lot of money. Took a little time to build it, but that's all right. So I still gotta get that video on that dump trailer. I bought that, but I didn't build it, but I reworked it. So I got a heck of a deal on it. It's real hot. It's about 90-some degrees right now, and humidity's about 90%, so I'm about to die. But anyways, like I said, got that done, homemade, or built a cup holder, hold your water, your beer, whatever. Got that, the scrunchie. Like I said, got this all working good. I'm happy with it. Sorry folks, I'm hot, about to die. But stay tuned. I'm going to build the stroke restrictor and the 4-way wedge. I'll finish it up and I'll make a video on that. I just wanted to get, I was dying to try this conveyor. Never had one. So nice, so nice. Just throw it off the end. The only thing I noticed, it had a little trouble if it hit right here, because there's no sidebars and it's a small area. But if you just barely push them, it'll hit these teeth and take off. So not a big deal there. And like I said, I only got $100 in that thing, scrapping it in pieces here and there, so I'm not complaining. So anyways, I'm going to cut this video off. I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more of this madness. There's some more builds coming up. I'm going to build another log splitter. I'm going to take 2 and make 1, so stay tuned for that. More woodyard stuff and more mini excavator stuff. That ripper tooth is working out awesome for moving rounds and cutting these up, so I'm gonna do some videos on that too. And like I said, we'll do a finish up video of this log splitter I built, and I think this is done. One of these days I'll paint this stuff, so I've been thinking about it. So, and I've got a cylinder thing coming up on this. I might swap the cylinder out. I got one. This is a 5-inch 30-inch stroke, and I've got a 3-inch 30-inch stroke. Be way faster. I know it won't have the power, but for single and 4-way, I think we'll be fine. We ain't running a box wedge, so I think that'll do. All right, I hope you like this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know you like it too, and leave a comment if you like this stuff, everything I built here, and see more coming. And subscribe and you'll see all that upcoming stuff. So I guess that's it for the video. So I'm gonna get out of here before I die heat stroke. So as always, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.